at the Tsarevets Fort in Tarnovo, and it's beautiful. It's all been replicated, restored. There's information that comes on when you walk by. It has a lot of history here, which I'll tell you later in the video. But this is a must-see. It's amazing. And the views of the city from this view from here are incredible. Right here, we're looking out over the valley behind us, and Zarko's taking a picture down in the valley, and it's kind of interesting because he sees on one side, he sees a church, and on the other side, he sees a mosque. Behind me you can see some lights, and they have them all over the fort because at night they do an absolutely beautiful light show, and it's spectacular. They have lasers, lights that go up in the sky, and it's done all to music, and it is absolutely breathtaking. Definitely worth watching. It's July 1st, and they start it now this time of year at 10 o'clock.